Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Welcome back. Okay, so we have just proved very important theorem. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at any other point on the circle. Okay, and here we have three cases. In that second case, we discuss that arc is what? Second case, do you remember? In the second case, arc is a yes. What is that?
About reflex.
Second case, arc is what? First case, it is a minor arc, and second case, it is a semicircle. Okay. So in that case, so semicircle AB is PQ. No. PQ is semicircle. O is the center, and this is PAQ. In this case also, we proved that angle POQ equal to 2 angle PAQ, isn't it? POQ equal to 2 angle PAQ. But what is in this figure? What is POQ? Angle on a semicircle is, this angle will be what? POQ. Angle on this line.
You have
POQ
not
is
shared this.
What is angle on POQ? Angle on this, how much it is?
Ma'am, you have not shared this.
Isn't it?
Ma'am, yes.
You have shared it.
No, it's okay. No, Mithun, can you see?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
No. So tell me, what is the angle POQ? Angle POQ is what?
Ma'am, straight.
Straight line. What is straight angle? How much angle measure?
180 degree.
180 degree. Yes, 180 degree. So angle POQ is 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree. And what will be angle PAQ then? By our theorem.
90 degree.
90 degree. Yes, it will be 90 degree. Very good. So angle PAQ is 90 degree. So we can say that angle in a semicircle is right angle. Any angle in a semicircle is a right angle. All these angles will be right angle. Very important point we need to use in some problems. Angle in a semicircle, any angles, we can draw infinite number of angles, and all these angles are right angle if its ends are at the end point of a diagonal. Okay, angle on a semicircle is right angle. Okay, so write that here. You can see angle in a semicircle is right angle.
Ma'am, what should be right, ma'am? What should be right?
I will show you 1 second. Write a note. You can write angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle.
We should write that.
This one, this underlined sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see one more result. Consider a circle, center at O, and AB or PQ. PQ any arc, and let this angle is 80 degree. POQ is 80 degree. Then PAQ is
90 degree.
Very
40
good.
degree.
Ma'am, 100 degree.
40
Uh-huh.
degree.
40 degree.
40 degree. It is 40
40.
degree. 40 degree. And what about angle PBQ?
Ma'am, 40 degree.
40 degree. Angle PBQ also 40 degree. Angle PCQ?
40 degree.
PCQ 40 degree. All this PBQ, PAQ, PCQ, all are angles on the same arc PQ, isn't it? PAQ, PBQ, PCQ, all these angles are the angles on the same arc PQ. Okay, subtended by the same arc PQ. So angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. They are on the same segment PQ. All these angles are on the same segment, major segment PQ. Okay, subtended by the minor segment PQ. So angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Write that also. Angle. This,
Theorem 10.9.
no need to write as a theorem. You can write as a result. Okay. Angles in the same segment of a circle are
Ma'am, should
equal.
we write that theorem 10.9?
Right. Yes. Right.
Okay.
Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal.
Ma'am, I just wrote that. I didn't write it as a theorem.
No problem. No, you can write as a note or result. Okay. If you wrote as a theorem, no problem. Either you can write as a theorem or write as a result or note.
After the theorem, what we should do?
Did you write that theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
Then draw this figure. 10.29.
Okay. Ma'am, can you show that figure?
And we should draw that image.
Yes, draw that figure. After that, you can write angle PAQ equal to angle PCQ. Angle PAQ, angle on the same segment are equal. Angles on the same segment are equal. Angle PAQ equal to angle PCQ. And both are equal to half of POQ. Angle PAQ equal to angle PCQ and equal to half of angle POQ. These are the relation connecting these three angles.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, that we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
write under the figure.
Huh?
Ma'am, under the figure, we have to write that. sentence.
Yes, yes. Write those that this.
Then we should write that angle in a semicircle is a right angle.
That we have already wrote. You didn't write? If you didn't write, you have to write that. That I ask.
Ma'am, I joined like that. So
Okay. You write that also. After that, you can write. After that, write this theorem. First of all, you write it. After that, I will explain. Write that 10.10 also.
ma'am, can you explain that angle in a semicircle is a right angle?
Sure. See, semicircle means this is a semicircle, isn't it? And what is this angle? Central angle.
Diameter.
Central angle. This is O. Angle POQ is what then? What was the angle measure? This angle. Michelle.
180 degree.
180 degrees. This is 180 degree. And angle subtended at any other point. What about this angle? PAQ. PAQ will be what? If this is 180, PAQ will be
90.
90. So angle, all the angles on a semicircle are 90 degree.
Ma'am,
Clear?
so that angle A and angle C.
All these are 90 degree.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, clear that line?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write 10.10. If a line segment joining 2 points subtends equal angles at other 2 points lying on the same side of a line containing the line segment, the 4 points are concyclic or they lie on a circle. All of you wrote? Can I explain?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow we should not come to school, right?
15th onwards. 15th is Monday. Next Monday.
I'm not that registration.
Tomorrow. No. Tomorrow, no. Because so many children are asked excuses. They have some problems. And tomorrow there is a bus strike also. So many of you cannot come tomorrow. That's why we have postponed. Okay, the date will be informed later.
I'm so tomorrow no need to come.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a message. You didn't see?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I just asked.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So many are having some other problems. And tomorrow is a bus strike also. So we have to
Okay,
change.
ma'am.
Okay. Can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, if a line, so line AB, line AB joining 2 points A and B subtends equal angles at other 2 points. So AB subtends equal angles at other 2 points on the same side of AB. Not on opposite side, not in this way, here and here. Okay. Those 2 points must lie on the same side of AB. Then what is saying? On the same side of the line containing the line segment. Up to this, is that clear? If a line segment joining 2 points, AB is a line segment joining 2 points, subtends equal angles. These 2 angles are equal. Where those angles must lie? They lie on the same side of the line containing the line segment. Is that clear up to this? That sentence? There is a line segment.
Ma'am, that means they should lie like parallel, opposite to each other.
Not parallel, not parallel. See, AB is a line segment. We have to choose 2 points on the same side of AB, either here or here. Okay. On the same side. You can't choose one is here, one is other side. You have to choose 2 points PQ, 2 points PQ on the same side of AB. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. Then if AB subtends equal angles at these 2 points, that is angle APQ equal to angle AQB. If so, then here P and Q. If angle APB equal to angle AQB, AB subtends equal angles at P and Q, then these 4 angles are concyclic, which means they lie on a circle. If we can draw a circle through these 4 points, we can draw a circle passing through these 4 points. The 4 points are called concyclic. The word concyclic means they lie on a circle. Okay. So once again, I will repeat. Okay. So what theorem says? A line segment joining 2 points. A line segment joining 2 points. Subtend equal angles at 2 points. Subtends equal angles at 2 points PQ on the same side of the AB. P and Q lying on the same side of AB subtends equal angles. Then ABPQ, these 4 angles are concyclic or they lie on a circle. Clear that theorem? They are concyclic means the points lie on a circle. Okay, clear? So you can write, draw a line segment AB, line segment AB, draw any P and Q, angle PAB, AQB. Then write, if angle APB, angle APB, if angle APB equal to angle AQB, then A, B, P, Q are concyclic. That is, they lie on a circle. They lie on a circle. Concyclic or they lie on a circle. Next heading is cyclic quadrilaterals. Cyclic.
Can you show the last slide?
Alan, tomorrow is not a holiday. Alan. No need to come to school, but not a holiday, Alan. Don't think so. Okay. Over? Can I change?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, heading is
Ma'am, 1 minute, last one.
Ma'am, should we write the heading cyclic?
cyclic quadrilaterals. Write the heading, cyclic quadrilaterals.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Write heading, cyclic quadrilaterals. Cyclic quadrilaterals. Cyclic quadrilateral simply means it's a quadrilateral in which all the vertices lie on a circle. Here, write the sentence. A quadrilateral ABCD is called cyclic if all the 4 vertices of it lie on a circle. A quadrilateral ABCD is called cyclic if all the 4 vertices of it lie on a circle. And draw this figure also. A circle, a quadrilateral is inscribed inside the circle. A quadrilateral is inscribed inside the circle. Then it is a cyclic quadrilateral, which means its coordinates C, A, B, C, D lie on a circle. Coordinates are lie on a circle. Write the sentence. Lie on a circle and draw this figure also. Now we have some properties of cyclic quadrilaterals. After that, we can start problems.
Can we draw the
Draw that figure, 10.31. What do you mean by a cyclic quadrilateral?
Quadrilateral ABCD is called cyclic if all the 4 vertices of
that is
it
what
lies
we
on a
wrote.
circle.
That's what we wrote. Okay, Catherine, can you say what is a cyclic quadrilateral? Yes, Catherine, what is a cyclic quadrilateral? A cyclic quadrilateral is simply a quadrilateral in which
Ma'am, all the vertices passes through.
yes, vertices passes through a circle. Vertices lie on a circle. Clear, Krishnaveni? Jaswin, is that clear about cyclic quadrilateral? Okay, Jaswin, what is a cyclic quadrilateral then?
A quadrilateral in which the 4 vertices lie in a circle.
Lie on a circle. Okay. So we have some more properties of cyclic quadrilateral. After that, we have to start the problems. Okay, that we will do next day. Bye.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.